Choose freedom, choose adventure, choose leisure.
Hi campers, welcome back to the Choose Leisure Motorhome channel. My name's Dawn and today I am going to be giving you a quick tutorial on the Auto Sleeper control panel, which is touchscreen. So the control panel's just here, so we'll show you how to do that now. So this is your Auto Sleeper home screen. That's your on-off, so that turns your 12-volt system on and off. Underneath that you have your water pump. So you can turn your water pump on and off. You need that to work for your taps, your shower and the flush in this particular model. Underneath here you have your freshwater and wastewater levels. Now they go up in 25% stages in this particular vehicle. So 25% won't show any more until it gets to 50%, so on and so forth. And the same with the waste tank. So you won't get anything register until at least 25%, then 50%, so on and so forth. If I press the home screen, I'll go back to your home screen. You can actually see the health of your batteries. So you can see we are getting mains hookup feed-in. So we can see that our leisure battery is currently on charge because we're actually using and charging our leisure battery at the moment. We can see the health of our vehicle battery. You can see what you're drawing, which we're not actually drawing anything because we are on charge. So what we're bringing in is more than we're using. So therefore it's actually charging. If we weren't plugged in, you'll probably see that going to the red as you turn more things on. Mains current, you can see what you're drawing in through your mains cable, and solar current, once you're outside on a nice sunny day, you can see how much you're actually bringing in through your solar panel. If I press the little home screen again, we go back to your main screen. You have your lights, your internal lights on and off in one go. This one here is your external awning light and your courtesy light as you come in. This one here lets you actually choose between your batteries. So L for leisure. If I hit the button, it will go V for vehicle battery. If I go into the batteries, you can now see the active battery current is vehicle. You can see that we are bringing in more than we're actually using. We're charging the vehicle battery. But you don't ever want it to be on vehicle battery if you're not on mains hookup. Basically, that means you're using your vehicle battery to power your habitation or your living area. So you can actually charge either battery depending if you're on mains as to what you want it to do. If your batteries are getting a bit low, you can flick between the two. We're going to change it back to leisure for the moment. If I go into the cog, that's your settings menu. So you actually have smart chargers. So if you're using your mains cable to charge up your leisure battery, the smart charger will say, well, the solar might as well do the vehicle. If I change the battery over to vehicle, you'll see that the smart charger will then tell the solar to charge up the leisure. It's always kind of thinking about which battery is better off with which. Automatic tank fill. So if you had an aqua roll plugged into the side of the vehicle, that needs to be green in order to turn the aqua roll pump on, and it will start pumping the water from the aqua roll straight into the vehicle and filling up your fresh tank. This vehicle comes equipped with waste and fresh tank heaters. So if you're camping in cold conditions, this little probe inside the tank stops the water from freezing up. If I press the arrow button, we can go through to the lighting settings. So when you turn your main light on the main control panel, at the moment only your main interior lights will come on, but you could have your awning light to come on at the same time if you want to. Next one through is every time you press a button, it will bleep at you. You've also got water level alarms on. So if your waste tank gets too full or your fresh tank gets too low, then it's going to start bleeping up and telling you that there's you're running out of water or the waste tank's too full. Backlight level is how bright the screen is, and then it will time out and go back into standby after 5 minutes, but you can adjust that down or up depending on how long you want it to come on and stay lit for. Next screen along is your time and date settings, and then you're back to your power settings, and you press the home button and you're back to your main home screen. On your home screen, you can see your time and your date. You can see the external and internal temperatures as well as the humidity inside the vehicle, and then you can see that you're actually bringing in mains hookup power. The 12 volt needs to be on for power and everything in the habitation, which includes your Truma heating controls. Without that on, then this one can't actually discuss what it wants to do to the boiler and send it instructions. So if that's not on, then this one can't work. So it does power everything. So that's it, campers. That's how to use your Auto Sleeper control panel. Hope you found the tutorial useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to follow us along on this journey. And until next time, carry on camping.